Open your literacy skill book to page number 138. Okay. Days of the week. Our topic is days of the week. Write today's date in the left hand corner and CW in the middle of the page. I have taught you days of the week. We will read them out. This is the way to name each day. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday for you. Then comes Thursday and Friday too. And also Saturday and Sunday. Oh, what fun is each fine day. We will read it out again. This is the way to name each day. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday for you. Then come Thursday and Friday too. And also Saturday and Sunday. Oh, what fun is each fine day. Read out the spelling with me. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. How many days are there in a week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many days? There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Now turn the page. You also write the date and CW. There is an activity. On which day do you go to school? Circle the names. Sorry. Okay. How many days in a week you go to school? You just come to school 5 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. But 2 दिन आपको छुट्टी रहती है. Saturday और Sunday छुट्टी रहती है ना. So you come to school only 5 days. Which are the 5 days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. तो ये 5 दिन आपको सर्कल करना है. See here. Monday को आप स्कूल आते हो. So color circle Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. ये 5 दिन में आप क्या करते हो? स्कूल आते हो. और सैटरडे संडे आपको छुट्टी रहती है. Okay. So circle only the days in which you come on. Circle only the names of the days on which day you come to school. Okay. Next one. Now fill in the blanks. They have given you days of the week. You have to fill them properly to complete the spelling. Okay. Start with it. First one is M-N-D-Y. What is the spelling of Monday? M. Then they have not written O. Then they have written N-D-A-Y. Monday. Then you have the next one. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Then what is the spelling of Thursday? Wednesday, sorry. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Then what is the spelling of Thursday? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Okay. After that, what is the spelling of Friday? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Then you have the spelling of Saturday. What is the spelling of Saturday? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. And what is the spelling of Sunday? S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. After that, turn your book to the page number 140. Our next topic is months of the year. Okay. We will read out this. I have taught you the months of the year also. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Which are they? January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, June, June. October, October. November, November. December. How many months are there in a year? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many months are there in a year? 12. Here they have written. They have asked you the question. 12 months in a year. So in this box you write 12 months. Okay. Now turn the page. Here is a word magic. They have given you some words and they have given you picture. Similar words, picture they have given you. You just have to change the first letter of the given word so that the picture name will be formed. For example, they have written WALL, wall, and they have given the picture of ball. So what is the spelling of ball? BALL. So instead of W they have written B. So you have formed a new word. Similarly, we will do the next one. The next word is MAN, man. And what is our picture given? Pan. So what you write in the box? PAN, pan. Next, LOG, log. What is the picture? What is the picture given? Dog. DOG, dog. Next is the word given is BIN, bin. And the picture given is PIN, pin. Next is DEN, den. And the picture is pen. PEN, pen. Here the picture, here the name is AING, king. And what is the picture given? RING, ring. Next is NOSE, nose. Next to the nose, the picture given is rose. You just have to change the first letter of the given word so that a new word will be formed according to the picture. Okay. After this, open your English notebook. We will take a quick revision of the days of the week and months of the year. Write along with me with the spelling. Okay. Write the date in the left hand corner and topic as days of the week and CW. How many days are there in a week? There are THERE, there, ARER, 7 DAYS days. I am in a WILL,